Welcome to K-Shift Zone, your trusted destination for everything on wheels, where we explore the latest cars, future mobility, and the real driving experience behind every model. Today on K-Shift Zone, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic and globally loved sedans, the 2026 Honda Civic, a car that has evolved once again to redefine style, performance, efficiency, and everyday practicality for modern drivers. The 2026 Honda Civic continues the legacy of clean and confident design, but this time with sharper details and a more mature road presence. The exterior reflects Honda's philosophy of simplicity blended with sportiness, featuring a wider stance, sleeker LED headlights, and a refined front grille that enhances airflow and aerodynamics. The body lines are smooth yet assertive, giving the Civic a premium look that feels equally suitable for city streets and highways. Subtle updates to the rear, including redesigned LED tail lights and a sculpted bumper, add to its modern character without losing the Civic's familiar identity. Step inside the 2026 Honda Civic, and you immediately notice how thoughtfully the cabin has been designed. Honda has focused on comfort, space, and driver engagement, making the interior feel both welcoming and technologically advanced. High-quality materials cover the dashboard and door panels, while soft touch surfaces and refined finishes elevate the overall experience. The seating position is low and sporty, offering excellent visibility and comfort for long drives. Rear seat passengers also benefit from generous legroom, making the Civic a practical choice for families and daily commuting alike. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Civic, and Honda has ensured that drivers stay connected and informed at all times. The updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness and a clean interface. Smartphone integration is seamless, allowing easy access to navigation, music, and calls. A fully digital instrument cluster presents essential driving information in a clear and customizable format, enhancing both convenience and safety. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and improved sound quality further add to the premium feel of the cabin. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Civic offers a refined range of engine options designed to balance performance and efficiency. The standard engine delivers smooth power for everyday driving, making city traffic and highway cruising effortless. For those seeking more excitement, turbocharged variants provide stronger acceleration and a more engaging driving experience. Honda's engineering ensures that power delivery remains smooth and responsive, whether paired with a manual transmission or an advanced automatic option. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Civic's strongest points, making it an economical choice without sacrificing performance. Driving the 2026 Civic feels confident and composed, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and precise steering. Honda has refined the chassis to improve ride comfort while maintaining excellent handling characteristics. The car feels stable at high speeds and agile through corners, offering a driving experience that appeals to both new drivers and enthusiasts. Road noise has been reduced through improved insulation, creating a quieter and more comfortable cabin environment even on longer journeys. Safety remains a top priority in the 2026 Honda Civic, with Honda sensing technology now more advanced than ever. A comprehensive suite of driver assistance features comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work together seamlessly to provide an extra layer of confidence and protection on the road. Enhanced sensors and cameras allow the Civic to react more accurately to surrounding traffic conditions, helping prevent accidents before they happen. The 2026 Civic is not just about performance and technology, it also focuses on sustainability and efficiency. Honda has optimized engine performance to reduce emissions while maintaining reliability and longevity. Improved aerodynamics and lightweight construction contribute to better fuel economy, making the Civic an environmentally conscious option in its segment. These advancements align with Honda's long-term vision of reducing environmental impact without compromising the driving experience. Practicality has always been a strong point of the Civic, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. The trunk offers ample cargo space, easily accommodating luggage, groceries, or everyday essentials. The rear seats can be folded down to expand storage capacity, making the Civic versatile for various lifestyle needs. Small storage compartments throughout the cabin add to everyday convenience, ensuring that everything has its place. What truly sets the 2026 Honda Civic apart is its ability to appeal to a wide range of drivers. It is stylish enough for young professionals, reliable enough for families, and engaging enough for driving enthusiasts. Honda has carefully balanced comfort, performance, and affordability, making the Civic one of the most well-rounded sedans on the market. Its reputation for long-term reliability and strong resale value further strengthens its appeal. In a competitive segment filled with capable rivals, the 2026 Honda Civic stands out by staying true to its core values while embracing modern innovation. It does not rely on flashy gimmicks but instead focuses on delivering a refined, dependable, and enjoyable driving experience. Every update feels purposeful, enhancing what drivers already love about the Civic while introducing features that meet today's expectations. As we conclude our look at the 2026 Honda Civic here on T-Shift Zone, it is clear that Honda has once again delivered a sedan that sets a high standard for the compact car segment. With its sleek design, advanced technology, impressive efficiency, and proven reliability, the 2026 Civic continues to be a benchmark for what a modern sedan should be. Whether you are upgrading from an older model or considering your first Civic, this latest generation